She didn't know the camera was recording.
You get some of my food now? What you do that for? Must know who you ask and yam that. Oh, that wipe off. You think? You too much understand people.
I pranked my dad with the bald head filter.
Daddy, you know, some guy one barber just see me cut down my ear a little bit and the barber chop out piece of my head back and make my have to shave off the whole of my head, Daddy. Look on that, Daddy.
Baby, when me see you now, me I say, right, you know, my daughter sick of cancer, and I never know, she don't call me and tell me, call me, you know, one time people have cancer in the head, so, Lord God, me not call a sickness for you, my daughter, but why? You look stressed out, this, why? I can't let the one laugh. Hairstyle, bad man.
Daddy, you make me dear. I swear to God, you said, Daddy, me can't rock it, me can't beat it. You look alright for me, though.
I for just go and work with that one. You want to read African Star in that one. That one I can go in a magazine. Yeah man, just take some little picture of that style and see what I go on for. Send out them.
Mama tell them people them some want a bumbo clock sugar daddy now. Think stop cause the bad one, you're being so dramaterium.
New challenge.
All I care for the night. If I broke, now my business. I'm not sure you to fight. All I care for the night. Feel like thinking more boy them. Move! Come on, that blood clot dance. I'm the girl them dance. The girl them a right to walk now because you're not dirt bombs. Move! Get out their face. Come on, the blood clot way. You're nasty. The girl them must stand up way over there so they can't in there living a dirt bombs like on a big girl. And then you see girl them. Girl them a right to walk. One thing the girl them start bust gun. When the blood clot to go around ya. Come on to the dance youth. Remember the days when we used to have girl was stay so? I beat up the ball. No, the girl them stay so. And the man them stay so.
Look at her long, luxurious hair. You bum.
Which one? My hair cleaner than yours. Smell it
No.
how it clean. Smell it.
Smells like doo-doo. You hear me?
Yeah, you shit funny.
What you say about the mosquito there?
Mosquito out for hang me in the house. This morning, me and them a woo.
What?
And when I them come on me ears, never shut up your mouth.
I never made a fortune.
Scope on my clap. Some gun sound on my clap. Wap, 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 wap.
One phone call it take to make some boy wipe off her hurt and drop down flat.
How to get a Jamaican angry? Hash dog shit.
I'm stepping on dog shit a while ago.
I can't have blood clot out of the shoes.
What's going on?
You can't go out of the blood
I'm on
clot.
these shoes, what's going on? Dog shit on them.
So we shoes have one dog shit.
This, that one here.
So the blood clot, you coming out with a bumbo clot shoes for that shit. Get my blood clot in the right here, man.
Can you clean it, please? No, clean it. Can you clean it, please, Aunt Carl?
I wish they were trying to put in my shit. But come on, whisper that thing.
Aunt Carl, can you clean it, please? It's my brand new shoes. Oh, Lord! Can you clean it, please?
Come on, man, the blood clot out the shoes, man.
Look, there's poo on there.
Where you go?
Can you clean it? There's poo on it.
Hey!
I like the life, yeah. And the life people live all the time. You understand? Down by the sea, with a drinks in my hand. I have 2 presentations and 2 exams next week, but I don't make that bad at me. At the end of the day and night, and we are going dead. So better just go and live there now.
I'm Ramon, and this is my series called Reading Dancehall Lyrics Like a News Report. Let's go. Intellectual Murder People Edition. Kakam fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager for
They like to ride behind, man. They be in a car, park up with man. They sit up on the block with 7, 8 man. First thing in the morning, man. Last thing at night, man. This your girl to go hang with, man.
I'm a little mature, I'm more grown up now, so my most playlist is like gospel right now. And I have a lot of gospel that I listen to, but I don't listen to dancehall. What? Come on, people of God!
How many months are in a leap year?
You answer.
No months is in a leap year. Sometime only February alone.
Guys, nobody can cuss me because me the wrong person. And me say nobody can take me for fool because me the wrong person. And if my enemies them try to rise up against me, I come against that in the name of Jesus Christ. Blood up that.
Eric, hold on a second. Okay. You see, since as your bad, if your bad me come for one more bad in this evening.
But suck your big stinking mother.
Alright.
5 more. Use your big stinking mother.
5 more. 5 more.
With blood clot.
Tell me another one. Give me another one.
Come out your door. Big pussy.
Me don't know nothing to go. Me don't know nothing to go. Me don't know nothing to go. They call me name. They call me name. They call me name. They call me name.
Can I get a home here? Oh yeah. Can I get a home zaddy chill? Oh zaddy chill. Can I get a pure?
Have you ever been involved with somebody in the music industry?
What?
A female in the music industry? Any
No.
romantic involvement?
Every woman in the industry, I'm a friend them. I'm a sister them, I'm a co-worker them. When me want involved with the people them for?
How much years do you think Cartel should I get?
Don't ask me that, man. Don't you dare ask me that. Don't you ever ask me that. I'm not the judge to make a decision. The judge making decision is not me, a Chai Cartel.
Third question, is there any dancehall or reggae act you think need to retire?
How me if you tell you that? I'm your God. I'm giving them a career.
If you was going to be stranded on a desert island, tell me 3 things that you'd have bring.
Me nah go on a desert island. Me nah stranded out because me nah go depend on. So that they want wrong. Oh.
When you forget you are around your Christian mom.
I like the hairstyle, I like the bumbuckler hair color. Sorry, mama. Sorry.
Good afternoon, I'm Andre Livingston with your death announcements. We've been asked to announce the deaths of Mr. Mosquito, Miss Micey Rat, and Uncle Cockroach. Mosquito, otherwise known as Bloodsucker, late of Inner People House, died on a wall after being slapped by a heavy-duty hand. The body of the late Mosquito leaves the surface of the wall by a group of ants on Sunday, March 27th to the Ant Hill SDA Church at 11 a.m. Interment follows in the Ant's Nest Cemetery. Miss Micey Rat, late of Housetop District, died on February 28th by a rat trap, leaving wife, town rat, daughter, country rat, son, bush rat, and other relatives and friends. The body of the late Micey leaves Rat Trap Funeral Home on Thursday, April 14 to the Rodents Pentecostal Church in Bushy Park at 2 p.m. Interment follows in the family plot. Uncle Cockroach, late of Pitlatrine Valley, died on March 18 after being clorted by Miss Maisie Wright with a spiking boot, leaving 3 dozen teenagers, 42 termites, and other relatives and friends. The body of the late cockroach leaves the Antil SDA Church by an army of Malans on Tuesday, March 29 at 10 a.m. Interment follows in the Ants Nest Cemetery. We regret that they didn't die sooner to relieve us of the plague, misery, annoyance, and the disgust that they have been causing us since the beginning of time. May their memories fade away from our hearts.
Alright, good day. Today I'm going to teach my grandfather how to call on WhatsApp. So first, he's like,
Good day. Let me give you a preamble to this lesson. Fuck you.
Alright, so first you have to press this green button, right?
That's the WhatsApp.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then who you want to call?
What's your name again? Marsha.
Marsha. Oh, okay. And then when you type her name in the call log,
Yeah.
you press it.
When you type her name in the call log, isn't it there already?
No, you have to press it. So see, it a call. And if you want speaker,
Yeah.
you see that sound icon here?
Yeah.
You press it.
Oh.
Bumbuckler.
Me do the other one. The one on the side.
We're not talking about chicks.
What you doing?
Yeah.
So, Mookie.
Yo.
Yo, me is 95% time on a Jamaican. Nyam pussy dog.
No, so I depend on 95%. They put me in the next 5%.
We get a 5% fuck body.
Boy, squeeze me back in the 95. Squeeze.
So I did this prank on my uncle.
You know, somebody have a patch on my head back, right? One little patch, I don't know how I get it. He patch out and realize he said I'm head a patch out. So he laid it, one doctor lady right try to tell me say best me just cut off the ear low and start back great fresh. So I say okay, I go to the barber and look what the barber do to my head. And me I tell mommy and everybody across me and say me should go no way.
My niece, you look like some African who has suffer. I know you this. I will look good for you. So what is happening to you? Yeah, you never have no ear on your head? Only if you have bad head like Panchita and you, know, because them have bad head, you know. I'm glad they see Panchita have little ear on your head.
I did have ear on my head. I did always have ear on my head, but I did have something at the back of me, like a fungus, right? I mean, it did a spread, and the lady say, just let the barber cut down the ear a little bit. The man ball off the whole of my ear and say, just better I start from fresh. I can't go nowhere, you know. I fear wear one bag of hat.
Colette, I really hear this with you? Jano. No, say if you have a boy. So when you could cut your ear low and make you have some ear so you know sit down in the barber chair and you know look in front of a glass, Colette. You know look in front of a glass. I make the man cut down your ear low that you have something on your skull. You know like this. I'm gonna hope you could have grow back. I'm gonna hope you can grow back. Colette, the younger way you look good when you go out is you have to wear some big ears ring. I always wear some African dress, you know? And you will look like an African. But you look scared, you look weird, you look like a scarecrow.
Was I on point
Top
or
5 people in
not?
Jamaica will just overdo it and just go on too much. Them just go on too much. Number 5, you is students and you is past students. Listen, you is not the only university in the world. You need to calm down. Relax. Number 4, iPhone users. Them just love go on and them never have a good charger yet. Them charger never work yet and them love hype. Number 3, supervisors at work. You're not the manager, you're not the CEO, you're not on the board of directors, you need to calm down because sometimes someone pays us maybe $1,000 more than the people they want to supervise. You're not going too much, man. You need to relax. Number 2, under drivers. Jeez, man. You don't need to calm down. Calm down within the ghetto BMW. You don't need to relax, man. Relax. Number 1 on the list. Security guard. Stop going like on our police. If If you know what a police work, go look at police work. Stop going like on a police, brother. When overdo it.
Get your young girl.